Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I'm here and I'm going to do a product review for you guys, and the product is Maybelline Fit Me Oil Compact Powder.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
I got this product around 1.5 months back and I've used it a couple of times. So here am I'm going to share you my reviews for it. As you guys already know that I have a combination skin, so morning when I get up it's a bit dry, whether it's summer, winter or rainy, it's a bit dry, and when as time passes my skin tends to get oily, especially the T-zone, like the nose area and the forehead area. It gets crazy oily. So even if I have my makeup on or off, it gets really oily. So that is why I wanted to give try to this product, because this is not a normal compact, it's their oil control compact powder. Maybelline had released their Fit Me ranges quite some time back. So they had foundations, they had compacts and whatnot. I'm a big fan of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. In fact, today I've applied the Fit Me foundation and over that I've applied this compact powder. So first, let's talk about the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a normal cardboard box with all the details over here. So we are going to talk about the claims which Maybelline is making with this particular product, and it has all the details and pricings over here, if you guys can see. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. Now this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So this is how the packaging looks from inside. It's a pretty black handy compact, as you can see, and I really like the color. It's black and there is some turquoise text on it. Now let's see inside. Now they have given a mirror in here, if you guys can see, plus there's a very spongy puff. I'm really sorry guys, it's a bit dirty because I've used it a couple of times, but yeah. Then there's a plastic covering and here's the product. Now this shade, it suits my skin tone completely. It matches with my skin tone. It's for medium skin tone and this matches completely well with my skin. Yeah. So that is how the product looks like. Now talking about the plastic quality, it's not that great, I would say. I mean, it did not invest in the quality of plastic that well. It's a bit flimsy, not much, but I was expecting a bit more from Maybelline with respect to the packaging, but I think that's okay. So let's talk about the price. The price is really inexpensive guys. It's only for $199 for 8 grams of product, which is, I believe, really good. The claims which Maybelline is making for this product, it's unbelievable at 199 rupees. So I'm really happy about that. So I did not get this compact at any discount because of course it's a newly launched product. For newly launched product, generally you don't get discounts. But maybe in a few days these products will also be available at good discount, so you will get it more cheaper than 199, which is great, I believe. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to give you a demo of this product. So yeah, so let's do a swatch test for this. So this is the puff. I'm going to take some product and I'm just going to place it on my hand. Yeah, so this is how the product looks on my hand. It is taking up the color of the skin so well, and I mean it's very blendable. I really like this product. It's not very powdery, if you guys know what I mean. It looks so natural on the skin. I really like it. Now the first claim it makes that it gives 12 hours oil control. Now frankly speaking, I had worn this compact for around 7 to 8 hours, but for my skin it did not give me a 12-hour oil control, because I think after 4 to 5 hours I started sweating a lot, because hello, it's summer in Mumbai and it's so hot out here. It's really hot out here, and that is why it did not last up to 12 hours. I did a touch up after 4 to 5 hours, then I was good to go. But 12 hours it did not work for me. The second claim it makes, it's micro powder, which is true because if you guys can see, it blends really naturally with just one swipe. It is not like powdery format, if you know what I mean. It gets blended really well, so that is also true. Third claim it makes, it absorbs sebum and sweat. Now sebum is a natural oil that comes out of your skin. Yes, it does, but not for a good time. As I already mentioned, it controls the oil of your face, but not that much, not for 12 hours. It also says it absorbs sweat. I started sweating after 4 to 5 hours of applying these compact powder because it depends upon like every skin is different. So maybe for me it did not last up to 12 hours. The oil control thing did not last up to 12 hours. It only lasted up to 6 hours because I tend to sweat a lot, guys. A lot, I can't even tell you. In Mumbai, when the climate is humid, you tend to sweat a lot. So I think for people who are staying in Mumbai and who have skin type like mine and they tend to sweat a lot, I think this product will only go for 5 to 6 hours, not more than that. You will have to reapply, or you will have to do a touch up with this powder, and then you will be good to go. Next, it says that it has skin fitting pigments which blend in with the natural skin tone, which is super true, because as you guys might have already seen, it gets blended really naturally. It is not powdery at all. And the last claims it makes that it has SPF 28, which is also good. Now let's see the demo clip quickly. Hey guys, I'm going to show you the demo of the Maybelline compact powder right now. So as you can see, I've just applied foundation, and I've applied a very little bit of foundation, not much, because I wanted to see how this powder works with just little bit of foundation. So that's what I have done. So as you can see, there's just foundation right here, and I've used the Maybelline foundation. Give me a second, I'll show you. So today I have used the Fit Me foundation. It is in the shade 10 Sun Beige. Now this is my shade. I've been using Fit Me foundation since so much of time. Let's apply the face powder and see you. So here's the powder. I'm just going to use it. So I've taken some powder on the puff brush, if you can see, and I'm just going to apply it really smoothly. So guys, this is how my face looks with the powder. I think it's looking quite natural. It is not looking very powdery kind of thing, but I applied quite a bit of product, and I think it's looking pretty good. So this is how it looks from a little far. Now this is the front camera, guys. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. All in all, I really like this product. I think it's very affordable and it does a very good job, but it does not last for 12 hours, not at all. And I think it wouldn't last for 12 hours for anybody. So yeah, overall I really like this product, and it is a thumbs up from my side. And yes, I think people with a little bit of oily or combination skin can definitely go for this product and try it out. It's so inexpensive, guys. You can definitely go and try it out. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you love this video and you love this review. If you love this video, please like the video, please share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.